to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review, makeup tutorial, first impressions on the new Buxom Xtrovert Eyeshadow palette. And I know I'm in a different location than I normally am. It's because we're moving again twice in the last 7 months. My life is a mess right now, but I found a cute little corner to film this look for you guys. So Buxom did send me this palette. They don't require me to post about it or even say anything about it. I just am on their PR list. So I figured I would do a tutorial for you guys and let you know what I think about it in case you're interested in purchasing it for yourself. This palette retails for $39. You can pick it up at Ulta, and it has 12 different shades in it, and they range from mattes and shimmer shades. And they did send like a little card with it, and it says, featuring extra bold primer infused shadows in a range of shades from foolproof neutrals to vivid pops of color. And just looking at the shades in this palette, they're just kind of all over the place to me. So I didn't know what kind of look to create, but this is the one I came up with because I just wanted to play with as many colors as I could. So if you guys are interested in my review on this Buxom Xtrovert eyeshadow palette and how I created this look, then just keep watching. So to me, these colors are pretty like all over the place. I don't know what kind of look I want to do. I want to use this yellow really bad because it's just like calling my name. Then I want to use the blues. Maybe I'll use both. I'm just gonna start with the shade Gimme Gorgeous. It looks like a really good transition shade. And I'm gonna pop this just pretty much all over the lid. Now I'm gonna take the shade Filthy Rich. It looks like a really like chocolatey cocoa brown color, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer portion of my eye. Like, I loaded my brush up with eyeshadow right now, and it's just not like staying on my eye. It's weird. Let me try another brush. Okay, maybe it was just that brush because this brush actually blended it a lot better. I feel like that other brush was just making it super patchy and not blending it good. So yeah, this brush is working better. I want to use the yellow shade, so I'm going to do a cut crease and hopefully it really pops. Okay, let's dive into this yellow. I am pleasantly surprised with this shade. It's pretty pigmented and it's got like a little shimmer in it. It's really pretty. Okay, because I have to try this blue shade called Enigma, I'm going to put that right next to the yellow and blend it in with that outer brown shade. This is like a minty bluish color. Now I'm just gonna take the shade Filthy Rich and blend that into the blue. And then, because why not, I'm gonna take this other blue shade called Rare, and I'm gonna put that along my lower lash line. Ooh, this color is so pretty. Now, because I have to try a shimmer shade in every palette that I play with, Opal Ascent. It's a weird name, but I'm gonna use that as my inner corner highlight. So this eyeshadow look is kind of all over the place, but I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm gonna go throw on some eyeliner and eyelashes, and I will be right back to let you guys know my final thoughts about this palette. Okay, you guys, this is the final makeup look with liner and eyelashes. So I am loving the way this makeup look turned out. At first I was just like, oh, is it too like all over the place? But I wanted to try as many shades as I could. And I am pleasantly surprised with this palette. It didn't really interest me pretty much whatsoever because, like I said in the intro, the colors are just so all over the place to me, but it is very just like summery vibes because it's weird. The blue that I use is a pastel shade, but then this yellow is just so vivid, and then you have like the dark Filthy Rich color that I use. It's just kind of, it just doesn't make sense to me, this color scheme, but I don't know. I really like the way the shadows performed. At first I thought that they were pretty patchy, the matte shade, but the more I just blended and added more to my brush, then it just became easier to blend. I didn't have high expectations for this palette. I don't know why. I think just because I don't really understand just the color scheme of it. But if you're looking for just a colorful eyeshadow palette, then I would recommend this. Like, I don't think I would go to Ulta and see this palette and be like, oh my god, I need this palette. So I don't know, it's just like not like exciting to me, really. I don't know why. I love Buxom, but to me, Buxom is more like lip products. So I don't know, it's all up to you guys. This might speak to you, but to me, I'm just like, I don't know if this is like a good or bad review. Take it for what it is, but yeah, that's just my thoughts and opinions on it. So who am I? But if you care about how I feel about makeup, then hopefully this helped you guys out if you were thinking about purchasing this or not. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.